Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we have another property tour. And for today's tour, we are in North Las Vegas. And we're gonna be checking out a brand new community by Harmony Homes in the community Heritage Square. And these townhomes are in the 400. So if you're in the market for a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome that's in the 300s, definitely recommend watching this property tour. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area, subscribe to my channel. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way, when we do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Now, let's get started. All right, guys, so here we are in the community of Heritage Square by Harmony Homes in North Las Vegas. For today's tour, we're gonna be checking out unit number 2. I just did a property tour, unit number 1. I'll have the link on your top right-hand screen if you wanna check that out. But recommend watching this one because this is pretty much the same 2-bedroom, but it does have a backyard. I cannot wait to show you guys. So let me walk over here so you have, so on the left side, you have entrance to unit 1 and 2. And then here off to the right side, unit 3 has its own entrance, and it deserves it because it is the biggest floor plan here. So we're gonna walk here onto the other side. Actually, as I walk over there, let me show you here this community. Check it out, guys. So they are gonna be building a total of 36 buildings, pretty much. Each building does have 3 units, so a total of 108 units here in this community. Pretty excited, guys. Just, I mean, because the way the real estate market is nowadays, I mean, not everybody has that leisure to come and say, hey, I want to buy a house. Sometimes you have to take a step back and buy a townhouse, and nothing wrong with that, especially if you're a first-time home buyer or looking to purchase a rental property. For whatever reason, guys, I think this is a nice option. Definitely not for everyone, I understand. But if you are in the market to, get something close to the mid 300s in townhome and call it your place rather than renting, why not, right? So here's the whole building. That balcony, unfortunately, belongs to unit 1. But don't worry, guys, you do get a backyard. Unit 1 doesn't have a backyard. Unit 2 does. So the entrance to unit 2 is gonna be right over here. So this is entrance for unit 1. Like I said, unit 1 and 2 entrances are over here. This is for unit 2. And then once I get inside, guys, I'll show you how it is to come in and out. But this is your main entrance, then your backyard. I'll show you that in just a second. But just wanted to come over here and show you really quick. Now, I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna go through pretty much the garage and show you, but before that, I'm actually gonna give you the property details before I head inside. Just wanted to give you those details. So here we got unit 2. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,289 square feet. It does have a 1-car garage. Right now, they are a sales office, but you can have 1-car garage here for unit 1, in the middle for unit 2, and then the last one's gonna unit 3 is gonna have a 2-car garage. So 1, 1, 2. And the starting base price for this one is $330,990. They currently do have a quick move-in ready. That's priced at $343,945. Just to give you an idea, that's roughly what, about 13,000 difference. So they are selling these as spec, meaning the builder is speccing these out. You can't come in and say like, hey, you know, I want this color cabinets, this type of flooring, this type of carpet. Unfortunately, they're already picking that out, which could be a good thing because, to be honest, it makes it easier to negotiate the price. They do have a total of 3 units, like I said, unit 1, 2, and 3 to pick from. And even whatever unit you decide to go with, guys, I would add around 15,000 on top of that base price, and that would give you a roughly good idea of the out the door price. So now let's go back here through the sales office, which would actually be your garage, but currently an office. So here you would have your 1-car garage. So pretty much it's gonna be from this wall right here to that wall on here. Obviously you just have to use your imagination. But really quick, let me show you guys what they're using to spec these out. So you got your countertops, your tile flooring, your carpet, then your color cabinets. The white is missing. So now, this is if you come into your garage, you come in through here. So let's do that. Just park my car, coming in now. Cool. Before you miss it, guys, here immediately there is a door. So let me show you. And guess what? It's the washer and dryer. Now that I pointed that out, so all appliances and blinds are included with your home purchase. So you can get the washer, dryer, refrigerator, stove, microwave, all that good stuff will be included. This is pretty cool. I like how they have this cabinet right here for the extra storage. And then right over here, you got your powder room. And right over here, kitchen, and then living area. So actually before, let me show you this door right here. Then I'm gonna back up. So here, your pantry. Let me actually walk over here and turn around to show you your kitchen. I mean, what do you guys think of this kitchen? This is not bad, to be honest. I'm not trying to hype it up, guys, but you know, this is a townhome, and I do love the finishes that they are using. It looks very modern in my opinion. Let me know in the comments if you agree or disagree. Definitely love to hear your thoughts about this. But look at this island. I mean, as you can see, you don't have a dining area, but what you do have is a nice size island for a townhome. Seats easy, has 3 people, but I would say 4 people easily. You got the quartz, you got the dual undermount sink. Then right over here, you got your dishwasher. And look at these cabinets. Look at, I love how it's like very modern looking with the black hardwares. Are they soft close? And they are. Then look at this on here, on this side, got the quartz, also with the quartz backsplash. Not bad. Gas stove, got your refrigerator right over there, some extra cabinet spacing. So what do you guys think? Are you with me? This is not a bad layout, you know, for something that's out the door in the 343s. Not too bad, right? Then over here, you have your living room. Also, at least for this model, guys, you have at least tile. Yeah, it looks like tile wood-like flooring, 8-foot ceilings. You got 2 windows there, and I'm gonna show you that's your backyard. This one does have a backyard, so pretty hyped about that. And not just that, they give me access to it. A lot of these builders lock these backyards at times and can't go back there. This is not the case with this one. But here's your living room. And before I actually go in the backyard, let me actually go in here and show you. This is gonna be the front door. So when I show you from the exterior, let me walk out there and show you. So obviously that's superintendent's office, but you know, you'll come around and go inside here, your unit. So come in, this is exactly what you would see. You walk in, This is your living room. Then off to the right, here's your kitchen. All right, let's lock this bad boy. Now, let's go check out your backyard. Because I know there's a lot of townhomes out there around the same price range. They don't have a backyard. But guys, I get it before you go off in the comments. It's not the biggest backyard, right? But it's something, right? I think it's perfect enough to have a barbecue pit, put a little table out here, a little swing, come out here, get some air. I don't know, just kind of giving you some ideas. And another thing to be mindful, guys, obviously you don't have to worry so much about a big budget to landscape this backyard, but you're not gonna get this, your backyard landscape. This is just for modeling purposes. You're just gonna get a clean slate. But then you got the gate right there to go in and out to your, so you do have access to go in and out through here. So if somebody comes, you're barbecuing, like, hey, come on in. Perfect, right? Cool, now let's go upstairs and check out the rest of this house. And do me a huge favor, guys. If you guys are finding value in this property tour and enjoying it, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and tap that bell for notification. That way, when I do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. And also, guys, as we head upstairs, I wanted to share something real important with you guys. So if you're thinking about buying a new build home, it's super critical to bring me or your trusted realtor with you on your first visit to the builder. If we're not there, guys, the builder won't let us help you later on. Why is it important to have your own realtor? Well, guys, we work for you, not the builder. While the builder's agents are helpful, they represent the builder's interest at the end of the day, guys. So I'm just here to make sure, guys, you guys get the best deal, avoid any pitfalls, and protect your interests every step of the way, guys. So if you would like me as your realtor, and I sure hope you do, guys, just reach out to me anytime. I'm here to help. And also, at the end of the day, guys, make this fun and easy and not stressful, you guys. So contact info in the description below. So this is where we just came up. Cool little window right there. Just wanted to show you. So you're not gonna actually have like your own bathroom to go in. The bathrooms are all gonna be in the bedroom. So 2-bedroom, straight ahead the primary. But then this one has that bedroom suite, meaning it's gonna have its own bath. And I'll show you in just a second. But here's the first bedroom, yep. Then you do have a closet right here. And then, check it out. Your own bathroom. Perfect, right? Perfect for if you have a small family, guys, or maybe you're a single person, want to rent a room out. See, this just makes it a lot better. Everybody has their reasons, guys. I'm just pointing a few. It's not the one and done, rent it out. Even if you have 1 kid or 2 kids, they can still stay in there. So bedroom, primary over here. And then as soon as you walk in, guys, you can have your primary closet. Then before I forget, upstairs, it looks like you're gonna get all carpet. The only places you're not gonna get carpet is gonna be wet areas, such as your bathrooms. 8-foot ceilings here upstairs as well. But check this out, guys. Here is your primary bedroom. Not too bad. 2 windows right there. Actually, let me see if you can see here. So you got something back there. Looks like, not too sure what that is. Okay. Then go over here. It's gonna be your primary bathroom. So you also get the dual vanities here. I know a lot of townhomes, guys, unfortunately, they are going just with a single vanity. This community is not. So if you're one of those person that must have a dual vanity, this might be a good option for you. But check it out. There's your stand-up. Not bad. All right, guys, well, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this floor plan. I do understand it is a 2-bedroom. You know, most people I talk to do need that 3rd bedroom, but if this is an option for you guys, who knows, right? So drop a comment below what you guys think of this layout. And if you guys would like to come schedule a property tour and check out this floor plan, or maybe another floor plan here in this community, or even guys, another different community, or even resell homes, or even to sell your home. I keep saying even because it gets better and better, right? Because I'm a full service agent, guys. At the end of the day, I just don't do new builds. I know a lot of people that do watch my channel think so. So just wanted to put that out there. I can assist you, whether you're buying a resale home, looking to sell your property, here to help any way I can. I'll have my contact info in the description below, guys. Don't hesitate to give me a call, shoot me a text, email, or even schedule a video call, guys. Here to help you guys out, make things as smooth as possible, whether you're here locally, out of state, out the country. And like always, guys, if you guys enjoyed this property tour, do me a favor, guys. That way it helps me continue to grow my channel and put out these videos for you guys. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. That way it helps me continue to grow and do these awesome tours for you guys. And guys, if you guys don't want to miss out on any future property tours and stay up to date with all new construction, then tap that bell for notifications. That way when I do upload these tours, you guys receive the notification and always up to date. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it, guys. Until next time.